Solar powered motion sensing light. It has 3 different settings. I do have it mounted in my basement right now. This is the solar panel. You probably can't see it, but this is supposed to be obviously mounted outside. I have these outside in my woods and I really like them. For demonstration purposes, I just put it in my basement. So it has 3 settings. The first setting is motion sensing. So if this senses motion, it goes to the highest setting, which you see there for 30 seconds, and then it turns off, okay? The second setting, which you control with a button back here, is like a moonlight setting, right? So if you look, I'll try not to set it off, but basically at nighttime, oh, actually I won't because it's not motion sensing right now. It basically does this moonlight thing where it just keeps the light on low and then it'll just stay on for the entire night while it's dark, which is pretty cool. The third setting is a moonlight setting, but when it senses motion, it goes to the highest. That's what you're seeing here. It's extremely adjustable, which is really nice. So if you need to go around a corner or something like that, you can. It comes with the mounting hardware and the plate is really simple right here. You can easily take this on and off. I'm not gonna do it right now with my just one hand, but there is a plate up there, believe me. You can just click this little button here and pull it off. There you go. Now it's gonna go to moonlight. Like I said, this is the third setting, and watch once motions gets detected, it turns on to the highest. These are so easily usable and flexible. I like to use these out back of my house, behind my shed, places where I'm not gonna run wires. Solar panel's awesome. Internal battery's awesome. Flexibility's awesome.